it's Kristen. Today I'm going to do a Wantable unboxing for you. Today I am going to be doing this, and a little bit about Wantable. It is a $20 styling fee, and they send you multiple items. So if you are new to the channel, welcome. If you're coming back, thank you so much for watching. So let's just get right to it. Okay, so here's the box. Let's open it and see. So inside, there's a little card here, and it has a little bit about the app and how you can get your edits. And then it says on the front, it says, "Beauty begins at the moment you decide to be yourself. Coco Chanel." Very cute. Okay, so inside the box is the bundle. Look at that. Awesome. And then, oh, this is just a piece of cardboard. Got me there for a second. All right, so let's undo the box here. The bundle. Okay, for first thing here is the prices. And it is a $20 styling fee. And my stylist is Tatiana. And let's see here. If you keep 5, you save 20%. So I wasn't sure how this one works. In here, you also have the bag to return your stuff. Okay, so let's get into it. Let me see here. These are the prices. So I'm going to keep this right here next to me so we can look at that. Okay, so the first item is this. I requested this top. It's really cute. There you go. Let's see if you can see it. All right. Very cute. Let's see what it's called. It is the striped intermingle dolman long sleeve in white and navy, and it's $58. Very cute. I love this. Okay, next item. Oh, this is cute. This is cutout sleeves. I saw this. If you could see these, there's sleeves that are cut out. Very cute. It's black, and it looks like it's like a 3/4 length sleeve. See if you can see that. See that? Okay, so let's check the prices on this. And this is the cage sleeve sweater, black, extra small, and it's $68. All right, so the next item in the box is, this kind of looks like a dress. Oh, it has pockets too. Okay, so here it is. It's a black V-neck shirt. I think it's a dress, but let's see. It's the Olivia point dress in black, extra small. It's only $52. So that's a great deal. All right, and then next top. Oh, this is cute. I think I also requested this as well. It's a sweatshirt. It looks a little short, but it's cute. I love camo. It is Z Supply, but is there a price on it? The other ones have a tag, but this one doesn't. Okay, so this one is camo crew pullover, black, extra small, Z Supply, and it's $50. Okay. And the next item. Okay, let's see here. Looks like a wrap front, like over jacket. It's really cute. Let's see here. That is wrap front, belted coat in pebble, extra small, and it's $68. Okay, that's cute too. All right, so a couple pairs of jeans here. So this is the Bagos Jagger Classic Fit Super Skinny in a size 25, and these are $74. So these are cute. They actually look like something I have on already. So look, we have it at the knee. Okay. So next pair, these are Articles of Society jeans. They look a little bit distressed at the pockets here, and then at the bottom it looks like they're that fringe cut. So let's see where the tag is here. There was a tag. There is no tag. Okay, so these are the Article of Society and these are $68 and they're size 25. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm going to try everything on for you, and so you can get a better look at what the items look like. All right, stay tuned. What's up? So I have on the striped dolman top, and that's $58, and I have the Jagger Destructed Super Skinny Dark jeans. I love this outfit. This top is awesome. It's so cute. It fits me perfectly. It's a little bit big on the arms, and how it goes out like this, but it's really cute. And these are the jeans. They are really adorable, and they fit perfect. They fit like a glove. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the next outfit, and stay tuned. Here's the black top with the cutout sleeves. It's really cute. It's a little bit baggy right in the front here. I don't know, it's cute, but it's not really fitting very nicely right in this front area here. See how it's like baggy? Here are the Article Society jeans. They're cute, they fit nice. They're just a little bit big right here. I might have to size down a little bit on my jeans. The Vigos jeans fit perfect, so I'm not sure, maybe because of the way they're made. But this top's cute. I'm really loving that blue top though, and those jeans. So let's get to the next outfit. Here's the camo top. It's really cute, but it's just too short for me in this area here. It's adorable, it fits nicely, but it's just not for me, unfortunately. So I'm gonna pass on this one. I love camo, but this just is not working for me. So here's the belted front jacket. It's cute, it just, I don't know. It's like really bulky right in this area. Love the color though. It fits nicely. The front's really cute right here, and it has little buttons to button the tops on, but it's just not for me, unfortunately. So I'm probably gonna have to pass on this one as well. Hey guys, here is the black dress. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna keep this. It is extremely short in the front. It's really cute though, but it has cute pockets. I love the pockets. But unfortunately, it's a no-go. I'm probably just gonna be keeping this blue top here. It is awesome. It fits phenomenally, and I absolutely love this top, and it's so soft. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. That's going to be going up after this. So if you please like my channel, subscribe, and like this video, give it a thumbs up. That'd be great. Thank you guys again for watching, and I really appreciate it. Have a great day.